Nano Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Ako Louis Season.
Marco Nananing, we're in Pampanga.
Guys, ngayon po nga dongin ni may invite kami po kaning This Is It. Actually, it's food hall. Mig-open niya po this year. And ngayon po nga dongin ni guys, ing obrami, pakit mingan po nung Nano Laretang
Establishment, 10 kilom ng This Is It.
Ito po na, if you have any questions, any suggestions, leave them at the comment section. Ikaw ang tampong any food trip. This is it!
Tara na, let's go!
Guys, sabihin ko lang mo rin ang names of the establishments na atyo po kaning This Is It Food Hall. Ne? So atin tamong Estings Belly Lechon, ne? Kapampangan lechon niya po yan. Atin mo namang Anyong Bibimbap Samgyupsal. Kibat ating Ate Rica's Baksilog on the go. So reniretang silog-silog na sinikat mo naman king Manila. Atin mo naman Magyamo, which serves pizza, pasta, retang all-time favorite chicken tamoken. Atin mo naman kening The Yellow Bar, which serves our all-time favorite milk tea, ang popang smoothies, mga yan eh. Atin mo naman Pika Pikachu. Dahil retang sa serve da retang Pika Pika foods na retang finger foods, mga yan. Kibat atin mo naman Irobeshi, guys, which serves sushi and ramen bars. Kibat atin mo naman Lychee. Dahil guys, sa serve da naman is more on the Chinese food na. So kita pong babo at yung hazelberry. May kabandikan nito guys, balo ko'y aramina. Okay, so at yun ang ding food for taste test tamo kayo nini. Magpasalamat namin kay This Is It for inviting us and retang participating stores din na provide ka rin kahit tamo food tasting. So dinanda kayo pa mong glance na niya pa mo guys. Karakal! So initang itsura na ng This Is It during bala mo 5:30 PM na na. Masanting pala kayo ni po atang mga nining oras. And pansin mi ka rin mumunta kayo ni a lot of them are like students, etang employee, etang after work na linwan na lang. And something pa rin ambience. Okay, I'm happy guys na the family is here at yun na yung buong pamilya ko and mag-umpisa na kami mga sana abahan nyo kami po. Okay, but sana mo naman nakita kayo kainin eh. Baby, say hi to the vlog. Say hi. This is my baby Shaolin.
Nyaman.
Or yung cheesecake po. Red velvet.
Thank you. Wow. Guys, karaod na pala kayo for tasting na ako na. Okay, the first one is
Mixed berries.
mixed berries. Ooh. Balo ko na yung bilihan mo eh.
Java chips.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
Dark choco. Okay.
Salted caramel.
Salted caramel. Oh. Wala mo ining buri ko yan.
Bestseller po namin.
Wow.
Ito po yung strawberry mint.
Soda.
Sana. Ito po yung blue ocean.
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Hazelberry. Siyempre, ito po itong mabsi na mabsigan. Dapat mag-chill ka pa, magkape ka makain. So, available lang yung sabi mi pinkari din yung cakes, then yung fraps, then yung
Smoothies, and
fruit
soda.
Soda. Yaman ka na ako, red velvet. So.
O kaya rin yung kay Oreo.
Ito, so habang tutatakman nila rin ni guys, magpasalamat kami po kay Pamanalbe, kay kaming vlogs. Dakasalamat mo naman This Is It for inviting us. So, located na po kayo along San Pablo, yata ini, San Pablo corner, MacArthur Highway, kayo pong Angeles City. Yung landmarking panto na nyo guys, malapit siya mo AUF. Okay, but kitang kanto na is
Security Bank.
Security Bank. So, dakala salamat po. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace.